In this video, we'll show you how to download and install the BEEST for Windows program, although this process works for any of the software that we sell. To download BEEST, go to the Providence Oris website, that's providenceoris.com, and log in with the account ID that was used to purchase the software. Click on the login icon, and it will take you to the page that says My Account. In this spot, you'll want to log in with the username and address that was used to purchase the software originally. Hit login. And this should automatically direct you to the My Account page. However, if you're logged into the account in a different location and need to go to the My Account page, go to the support bar at the top, hover over it, and go down to where it says Software Updates, and that will return you also to this My Account screen. From this page, click on the Downloads icon to get a list of all of the software that you've purchased. On this page, we can see that I've purchased the BEEST Suite single user license, and I can download it right here by clicking on this purple box. It will take a minute or two to download the software from the website. My browser has a little icon in the left-hand corner that shows you the download progress, but in any case, wait till the file is fully downloaded before you try to open it. Now, let's say you are not the account holder or you're having trouble getting into your account. There is another way to access these download files. I'm going to go ahead and log out for these purposes. So say you're not able to get into the account. You can always go to our temporary downloads page. That is providenceoris.com/temporary-software-downloads. And I'll put that link also at the bottom of the video. And this should be a list of the installation executables for all of our current software. If you go to this page, go ahead and click on the software you're interested in this case, BEEST 12.07. It's going to look a little bit different, but you'll want to go ahead and click download. That's okay. You'll get an error, but I promise there's no viruses associated with this. I'll go ahead and download this also here on my desktop. And this works very much the same way. Okay, so now you can see that I've downloaded the executable file twice. These are both copies of the same file. You're welcome to go directly to the place where these files have been downloaded and double click on them, but I'm going to go ahead and execute them from the browser. There's a little box down here that says open, so I'll go ahead and open that. Okay, at this point you're likely to get a pop-up that's asking for an administrator username and password. If you are not an administrator on your computer, you may need the assistance from your IT department to help with the installation process. Once that password has been entered, you'll get a pop-up that looks like this, that you'll click to set up the installer. It's going to start with a self-extracting function, and then it will give you some familiar installation prompts. Okay, we'll just hit next. We're going to have to accept the license agreement and hit next again. You'll want to put in your name if you'd like to here and hit next. Next again for the location of the installation file. I'm going to keep this on typical and hit next again, and then hit install. This is going to take just a minute or two. Okay, that's done, so we can go ahead and hit finish. You'll notice that on the desktop you'll see a few new icons like this one for BEEST and some of its constituent programs. Go ahead and double click on the BEEST shortcut to open the program. Okay, so if this is a brand new installation of BEEST on your computer and you haven't already registered, you'll get a pop-up that looks like this that tells you that you can do a 10-day trial if you don't have a license key, and then it also gives you a registration code and prompts you for a license key. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and click 10-day trial. And it gives you a little bit of information about the trial. You can hit continue, and it should bring up a set of test case instructions, as well as the full BEEST for Windows software. The next video will explain the registration process.